In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skillfully overlay two video clips in CapCut. If you're looking to create engaging content by layering video elements, you've come to the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process with ease, ensuring your final creation is polished and professional. Let's begin by importing your two video clips into CapCut. If you haven't done so before, you simply select the clips from your device's library. Think about the story you want to tell with these clips, whether it's a split-screen dialogue, a before and after showcase, or a creative juxtaposition. With your clips ready, it's time to move on to the timeline. The timeline is where the magic happens in CapCut. Drag the first of your clips onto the timeline. This will serve as your background or base layer. Once your first clip is in place, grab your second clip and stack it directly above the first on a new layer. Stacking is as straightforward as it sounds, and CapCut's interface makes it easy by snapping your clips right into place. Now, with both clips in view, you might notice they're a bit cluttered or misaligned, which brings us to our next step, resizing and repositioning. In the preview window, select the top clip. You can click and drag to adjust its size and location within the frame. Since creativity has no limits, feel free to experiment by cropping or enlarging elements until you're satisfied with the layout. This adjustment ensures that the visual focus aligns with your narrative goal. With your clips laid out just right, let's delve into enhancing their visual symbiosis. We'll do this using either the opacity function or blend mode. Both provide opportunities for artistic expression. Adjusting opacity simply means making the top clip more transparent, allowing the bottom video to subtly show through. Blend modes, on the other hand, mix the layers, colors, and tonalities in fascinating ways, which can add impact and depth to your project. CapCut offers an array of blend mode options. Experiment with them to see which complements the mood of your creation. Finally, the secret to a seamless composition lies in synchronization. You'll want both clips to start and end concurrently to maintain a consistent narrative flow. Scrub through the timeline, paying attention to transitions and alignments. Play your timeline through to ensure it resembles the vision in your mind's eye. CapCut's capability to stack and blend clips is perfect for adding dimension to your storytelling process. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a visually rich video ready to captivate your audience. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and I hope it sparked some creative ideas for your future projects. Happy editing!